of my bibs. Still got the tag on them. They're that new, and I just found them again. As soon as, right when we moved, I actually found a pair that fit me that's not dragging on the floor. Shoulder's still killing me. If I don't take anything for it, I'm at a 7, 8, 9 pain. I'm down to about a 4 or 5 right now. After some rubs and a couple of Tylenols. Alright, let's find some gloves and go see what Papa's doing. He is trying to install the stovepipe vent out the roof. So he got a little hole drilled in the top, and that's all I know. So hopefully my video lasts. Let's go see. You guys stay. So it's gonna come out kind of where that tree is. Ooh, these snow pants are nice and warm. And we're locked in. But here comes Papa to look. Uh-huh.
Who said you could get out of your box?
Nobody really. The best we got right now until we get the fence fixed a little better is a clamp on the outside and a bungee for the inside. So Eric's got the Suburban on the other side. We've got a ladder, it looks like, here on this side. Because safety first, and it is wet and slippery. It's perfect time to have to go on the roof to drill a hole. So, oh yeah. Let's go see the Suburban. I think he put on the other side as his anchor. Got the Bourbon place here. There we go.
Rope on that.
Yep.
Then I got it on the hitch. And then I got something to hold on to.
Got the insulation just waiting.
Short rope. I wanted my throw bag, but it's buried in shipping container.
There's stuff. We're ready to do stuff. Got the electrician's cart here. Got, oh, this looks like the boot. Is this the one?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the flexible one. We'll put a little, what is it, RV heat?
It's just high temp.
High
latex. Temp. And this is the shield that nobody seems
look
to
at that.
use. So then this goes over the shield.
Yeah, because nothing's supposed to
it.
touch this. So we've got the shield to protect it. The shield goes through the roof. This is the boot that goes on top of the roof. And this is all flexible, so with a little heat, high temp RV sealant and some screws, this actually will conform right to the shape of the metal roof.
It's actually upside down, but yeah, this end goes in first. I'll put it on the other way around. Yeah. This is the adapter.
Something like that.
That goes into the shell. So this will be the other way around. I mount this in the roof and drop it in.
Cool.
I just didn't want to install it yet, so I've got more room to cut.
Got our shelves ready to go out in the
No, shelves ready to go up in
container.
here because there's no room anywhere else.
Oh, well,
Everything
it'll
from
be
the house
what it'll
goes
be.
right here.
We got some sexy black stovepipe. I don't know why they sent us, we asked for all black, but
I don't know why
this is the jewelry she'll have on the back. We won't even see that though, because the warming rack that goes up there, and he's got some rough cut drywall around the base to keep his spacing and everything, and then got the box around it, and then the hole there to get ready to drill out. Oh, there we go. High temp silicone sealant is what we'll be using between the top of the roof and the boot.
And then these little ears cut out the roof, so this is a space. This screws to the decking material, and then this screws to the shield to hold it in place. And then I put the guy on this thing right here, even though it's probably get away without doing it, but with all the snow we get
Oh,
up
the
here,
snow and the wind and everything. Yeah,
the snow
if all
and
that's
wind we
sticking
get
up
up
out the
here.
top.
I'll be putting a guy on it, 2 of them, to hold the
Yep, a wind and
chimney
weather
in
guy
place.
line to
And then I'll put a
anchor
snow
it
cricket
to the
on it.
roof. And a what?
Snow cricket to break
Snow
the snow.
cricket. So when the snow's coming down.
Snow splitter cricket, they call them. You put it up above the.
Oh yeah.
So then when it slides
Doesn't-
down the metal roof, it doesn't cave the boot and the
Pressure,
heat
yeah.
shield and everything in and crush it.
Yep.
It splits it and goes around it.
Cool. Yes. I'm super excited.
I don't know if I'll install that today, but I gotta get
And this
thing
is
piped
the, what's it called?
in. Attic insulation shield that we're not using because there's not enough clearance.
There's not enough clearance for that.
So I'm
Maybe we
gonna
can
enclose
return
it, and then it'll keep everything
Yeah,
away.
we'll just enclose it, which will be fine. It'll have plenty of spacing around to keep the insulation from walking in on it.
And the chunks of drywall are just up there as spacers, so I can put the trim ring in so it looks right and level. And then I can just unscrew those, slide them out, and then whenever we put the drywall in, we can just do our notching and everything and slide it around the chimney.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we might even be able to make it look all pretty and everything.
Yep.
I gotta tie this to the rope. And then do the strap.
Ooh, we're so close. So close. So close. Can you tell I'm super excited? That thing over there I'm pointing to with my low hand. Leslie Lohan. That was terrible. Alright. Here for some moral support to make sure everything looks tied off enough. We'll put a rope on that and attach it to the Suburban. That'll be his anchor. So when he gets up on the ladder over here, he'll have a better chance of not falling directly off. But this stove is going in, damn it. I think that's a ratchet strap for like airplane hanger stuff. Don't remember where we got it from. A friend of ours dropped it off. A couple of them. Make sure it doesn't knot up. Snow is wet and melty. Did you get stuck up there somewhere?
Huh?
You got stuck?
No, it's hooked to the truck.
Oh, already. It just didn't seem like enough pulled down.
Now, I can tie off some loops in it. I got something to hold on to.
Oh, and it's the weight of it is pulling it back down. Just tie it to this tree over here and
Hey, that ain't a bad idea at all, actually. Because then it's there, and I got a rope I can always grab onto when I'm up there.
yep. And you got your lumberjack crotch grabber, don't you? That a belt for climbing?
Spikes? Yes.
Oh, it doesn't have a belt
No, that's
to go around your waist.
That's my harness for my
A harness?
spikes.
Okay. I figured if you had a harness,
That's for my tree spikes.
then you could tie off to it somewhere. All right, well, that's what's going down here. sun even came out. It's gorgeous. Probably be good for a snowman, but I'd be really wet by the end of it. Yes, would be great for a snowman. These water tanks from Tractor Supply, I think were the 35-pounders. These worked out really good for getting our water to the camper. We just got a little tiny water pump that hooked up to a garden hose that hooked to a car battery, and 2 of these. I mean, the camper is got about a 40-gallon tank. So every time we came out, we just brought one of these, and we had a hand wash station outside. We'd refill the blue tote for that, and then fill the camper up, and sometimes have a little water to spare. Saffron. Got some branches down. Glad they're down out here and not on my camper.
See how much cutting I can do from the inside.
That's always best. Standing on a shiny metal roof in the snow time is not favorable. Inside would be better always. Yep. The roof isn't all that high, but still. Just gotta cut through wood and then a piece of tin. There's the flashing for it. Looks like some screen. So yeah, it's about to go up, not down.
Around. I'm gonna cut a big hole in something. Hopefully it's in the right spot.
Hey, if anything, we can always move the stove. That's not a deal.
Okay.
We can always move the stove to wherever the hole is.
Now we're kind of past that, because if the hole's in the wrong spot, I have to reframe an entire box again.
Oh, I meant from there down.
Yeah. No, it's gotta be in the right spot.
Yeah, up there.
Yes.
Yeah. If it's a little off behind the stove is what I meant. We can move that to the side.
Oh, yes. Move the stove around a little. I just gotta make sure that's right.
Yep. So there'll be like kitchen, bathroom, laundry area. Well, it'll start with like laundry, bathroom, and then kitchen. Maybe an island or something here, and then living room, bedroom spaces at the other end. Need something? Oh, can't wait to put the dog's water dish back up. So exciting.
How to mark the hole, since I don't know where anything is.
Hello, fresh baked bread. Hello, warm, inviting fireplace. That beautiful kitchen clean. Alright, well, that'll be that for now, I guess, because what it is. It's a slower process, and I don't have much videotape.
next.
Well, we'll figure this out and let you know how it goes on the other side.
Painful, crappy.
Yes, we're at the painful part still, yes. All right, enjoy.